Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of k if we have square root of k minus square root of 5 is equals to square root of 45. So here we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solutions and which of the roots are extraneous root. So I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. So here first we need to focus into the right hand side. So we write on the left hand side as it is, square root of k minus square root of 5 is equals to, this is square root of 45, and we break this 45 as 9 times of 5. Okay, we know that 9 times of 5 becomes 45, and here we use the nice radical law. You know about that. If we have inside the square root we have a multiplied by b, it will be written as square root of a multiplied by square root of b. It means that we can apply square root separately on both of these two values. So here we have, this is square root of k minus square root of 5 is equals to, when we apply square root on both of these two terms, it will be written as square root of 9 multiplied by square root of 5. And now here in the next step, we move this square root of minus 5 from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will be written as square root of k is equals to, here first you see that a square root of 9 is equals to 3 times of square root of 5, and this is the negative term. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes positive. And further here in the next step, you see that both of these two terms involve square root of 5, so that we will be take common square root of 5 from here, and when we take common square root of 5, we get the remaining values are, from here we get 3 plus from here we get only 1. And now here in the next step you see that 3 plus 1 becomes 4, into here we have square root of 5, and in the left hand side we have square root of k. So here you remember that our target is to find the values of k. So for this we need to remove the radical sign from left hand side. So in order to remove this radical sign, we need to take squaring on both of the sides. So when we apply squaring on both of the sides, it will be written as, this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get k is equals to, here we use another square law. You know about that. If you have a multiplied by b and its whole square is equals to, a square is multiplied by b square. So according to this rule, we apply the square separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as 4 square multiplied by square root of 5 and its whole square. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications. So you know about that, 4 square becomes 16 multiplied by this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get only 5. So from here we get k is equals to 16 times of 5 is equals to 80. So it means that in this question we get only one root of the given equation, and that is k is equals to 80. But further in the next step we need to verify that, is this value of k be the solution, or is this value of k be the extraneous root. So for verification, we need to copy down given question statement here. It is square root of k minus square root of 5 is equals to square root of 45. And now here we substitute the value of k into the left hand side of this equation, and when we put this value here, it will be written as square root of 80 minus square root of 5 is equals to square root of 45. So it will be written as it is. And now here further in the next step we need to break this value, and you see that we write a square root of 80 as 16 multiplied by 5 and minus this is our square root of 5. And further we write this 45 as 9 times of 5. We know that 9 times of 5 becomes 45. Okay, and here when we apply square root separately on both of these two values, we get square root of 16 becomes 4 times of square root of 5 minus this will becomes square root of 5 is equals to, here you see that square root of 9 becomes 3 times of square root of 5. And now here in the next step we need a little bit simplifications here, and we obtain 4 minus here first we take common square root of 5 from here, and when you take common square root of 5 we get the remaining values are 4 minus 1 is equals to 3 times of square root of 5. And here you get 4 minus 1 becomes 3 times of square root of 5 is equals to 3 times of square root of 5. So this shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value of k is equals to 80 is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of this problem is k equals to 80. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.